Hello Mango, welcome back to our 3 days of purpose of Pilates journey with Moving Mango. Today's session is all about finding peace and releasing stress. Through gentle movement and mindful breathing, we will create calm and clarity. And if you're ready, just roll your mat. Let's do this together.
Hey love, you got your heart on your sleeve, but the shirt on your back's a bit small. Hey you, yeah, your colors are changing, the world ain't half bad after.
Alright, let's start by allow yourself to bring your hands on top of your knees. Open the chest, lengthen the spine, close your eyes, take a deep inhalation through your nose and exhale deeply. Inhale, I release stress and welcome peace, and exhale again. And inhale, pull the belly button in. Exhale, hide the rib cage and fully take all the air out of your lungs. And one more deep breath. And exhale. Keep all the ribs in, and I want you to slowly open your eyes. Bring your hand in front of your chest and the other hand behind. Shoulders down. Now inhale and exhale. Inhale, rotate the torso, twist to the right. And exhale, come back. And just do it 4 more times to this side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale again, twist, exhale and twist. Press your shoulders down, last one, go all the way. See if you can hold it here. Try to open your elbow to the back and look all the way. Rotate your head and look to the back of the room. And slowly rotate your head and your torso to center. Let's switch your hand to the opposite. And shoulders down. Inhale, twist to the left. Exhale back to the center. You can lower your hands a little bit if you feel it's easier for your arms and give you more range of motion. And 3 more. And 2 more. And exhale. And last one, twist. And come all the way back. Open both arms sideways, shoulders down. Try to reach your hands all the way. Imagining like someone pull your arms away from your shoulders. And inhale, bend over to the right. Exhale and center. Inhale to the left. Exhale and center. Let's do it 4 more times each side. And center. And to the other side. And center. Very good. Keep breathing. Lengthen your arm and center. And reach further to the other side and come back. Last one to the right. And center, and last one to the left. And center, and bring your hands down. Now open your arms again, soften your elbows. We're going to do some cat and cow in sitting position. So round the spine, bring your hands forward. And inhale, open your chest and look up. Chin your chest, roll the spine and bring your hands forward like we're hugging a big tree. And open. And round the spine. And open. And one more time, exhale. And inhale, open. And bring your hands down on your knees. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply. Alright, so now we are going to sit along the mat. Open your legs hip width apart. Now bring your hands under your thighs. Open your elbows wide and lean back. Round the spine and look to your belly button. And lift one leg up and lower. Lift the other leg up. And don't have to go too far, too high. Just to the point that you feel good. To feel the abs here, but also use the breath. And you can keep the balance. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower. Inhale and exhale. Now try to use your abs instead of using your hands here. And lift up and down, and abs all the way in to support your lower back. And to the opposite side, and slowly come up, sit tall, and open the chest. Flex your torso forward. And bring your torso back to the center. Wiggle your hips from left to right. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. Now, we're going to bring your hands behind your head. Open your elbows wide. Lean back 1 inch. Open the chest, engage your abs. And roll the spine, bring your elbows forward. And inhale, open. Exhale, come back. Now, if it's bothering your lower back, you can just sit up tall and open the chest and round the spine here. Press your feet down and exhale, round. And 2 more. And last one, open. And exhale, round. And come all the way back and hands down. Wiggle your hips, take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply. Now we are going to bring your hands behind your hips, close the elbows and lean back. Soften your elbows here. Abs in, move your hands backward a bit more if you feel like it's easier for your wrist. Lift one leg up, point your foot, lengthen your leg and knee bend and lengthen and come back. Press your shoulders down, inhale and exhale. And 5 more. Exhale, come back and 4 more. Use your breath to lead that movement. 3 and 2, inhale and exhale. And last one. And bring your foot down. Let's go to the opposite side. Lift the leg up. Inhale and lengthen. Exhale and come back. And inhale, lengthen. And exhale, come back again. And reach all the way to 45 degrees and come back. And 5 more. 4 more. Focus on your breath. And 3 more. 2. And last one, reach your foot all the way out. Exhale, come in and bring your foot down. Lengthen your legs, flex the ankle and sit up. Bring your arms to the front, shoulders down. Roll your whole torso down and lay down on your back. Arms along the body. Now, bend the knees. Wiggle your hips from left to right. You're gonna open your legs hip width apart. Now press your lower back down, curl your tail up, and lift your hips up 1 inch, and another inch, and another inch, and lower 1 inch, and lower 1 inch again, and another inch, and arch your back. Press your lower back down, tuck the tail up, roll up, and lift up, and another inch, and slowly roll down, and 1 inch, lower, and arch your back. And last one, tuck the tail down, press your lower back down, tail up, and go up, and go up, and go up, and roll down, 1 vertebra at a time, and arch your back and bring your pelvic back to neutral position. Now wiggle your hips again, take a deep breath, inhale deeply through your nose, and exhale deeply through your mouth. Now we are going to stack your hand on top of each other and bring it behind your head. Open your elbows wide. Now see if you can lift the chest up and curl your chest up. Look towards your knees, open your elbows and use your hand to support your head. Now pull the belly button in. Inhale and exhale, bring one knee towards the chest and lengthen your leg and press down and bend the knee in. Opposite direction, bend the knee into the chest, lengthen opposite leg and lower and heel in. So imagining like the legs is pedaling the circle. So bend the knees into your chest, lengthen your legs up to the ceiling and circle down and bend the knees in. To the other side, so knee to chest, inhale halfway, exhale down and bend in. Inhale and lengthen, and exhale down and bend in, and inhale, knees bend and lengthen, and down, exhale and bend. Now last one to the right, knees bend, core up higher, lengthen, lower all the way, and come back. Last one to the left, and lengthen, and lower, and bend in, and lower your head down. Relax your whole elbows there. Your shoulder blades relax down. Open the chest. Rotate your head to the left, and rotate your head to the right. And come back to the center. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale deeply through your mouth. Now we are going to lift the legs up to tabletop, heels together, toes apart. Lengthen both legs to 45 to 60 degrees. Listen to your lower back. Now inhale and exhale. And just keep your legs there. Inhale again. And exhale again. Press your head down to the hands. And inhale one more time. Shoulder blades down. And exhale. And bend the knees all the way in. If you want more support, you can just raise your head all the way down and lengthen your arms along the body. Open your shoulders. Now lift the legs up to tabletop again. Heels together, toes apart. Inhale and lengthen your legs. And exhale, hold the legs there. Inhale again. And exhale. And one more time. And exhale, bend the knees. Very good. Now bring one leg up to the ceiling. Use your hand behind your thigh, opposite leg to 45 degrees, and curl your head up, chest up, and lift. Slide your hands up towards the ankle. Lower the other leg, and switch. And exhale, switch. Do it slowly so that you can focus on your breath. Exhale, switch. And inhale. Exhale. And inhale again. Exhale. And one more time to the right. One more time to the left. And bend the knees all the way in and head all the way down. Now rotate your ankles and reverse. And one more time. And reverse. Bring one leg down. Your opposite leg lengthen to 45 degrees. Now point your foot and flex your toes. And point your foot and flex your toes, and point and flex, and point and flex, and point again and flex, and 4 more, and 3 more, and 2, and last one. Rotate the ankle and reverse. Bend the knee and lengthen your opposite leg. Now flex and point and flex and point, and 3 more, and 2, and last one. And rotate the ankle and reverse, and bend the knee all the way in. Great job. Alright, so now bend the knees into your chest. Lift the hips off the mat. Open your elbows wide. Inhale and exhale. Rock up and just make a bigger range of motion. Chin your chest the whole time so that you can support your lower back. And see if you can rock all the way up to sitting position. Very good. Take a deep breath, hands on your knees. Inhale deeply and exhale. Let's do some cat and cow here. So come to all four position. Open your arms, shoulders apart, and your legs hip width apart. Now lengthen your neck. Look down and arch your back. Open the chest and look up. Press your hand down, open the chest further, and bring the chin into your chest. Round the upper spine and curl your upper spine up. Tuck your tailbone forward and arch your back and open the chest and look up. And round the spine and chin your chest and tuck your tail forward. And one more time, open and chin your chest and round the spine. And come all the way back and sit on your heels for 1 second. Now we are going to come back to lay down on your belly. Bring your hands neck to the chest, close the elbows in and lengthen your neck. Now inhale, press your hands down, open the chest, abs in to support your lower back, and slowly lower your torso down. Lift the legs up. Lower the leg abs in, press your hand down, engage your abs and lift your torso up. And lower your torso and lift the legs up. See if you can make it a little bit quicker, but engage your abs here. So like a little rocking. Inhale and exhale and come back. Now make sure you engage your abs. Pull the belly button all the way in all the whole time, just so that you can support your lower back. If you feel like it's too much on your lower back, do it slowly and don't lift your torso so high. We don't want to arch the back if it's bother your lower back. And last one. And down and legs up and lower, hold torso down, bend the knees and come back to triad pose. Round the spine, reach your hands forward and look to your belly button. Pull the belly button all the way in towards the back. Reach your hands all the way and slowly come back and open the chest. You can sit on your heels or you can sit all the way down on your mat, whatever that feels convenient and available to you. Now interlace your fingers to the back. Inhale, open the chest. And exhale, lower your hands down. And inhale again, lift the arms up. And exhale, just go as far as you feel good. Look forward the whole time. And 4 more times here with control. Inhale, lift up, exhale and lower. And 3 more. And 2 more. And last one. And stack your hands in front of your chest now. Shoulders down, rotate and twist to the left. Center, exhale, twist to the right. And center. And 1 more time. And to the other side. And come all the way back and hands down. Rotate your shoulders fully to 4 directions and reverse. You can cross your legs and sit up tall. And now, bring your right hand to the left thigh and use your left hand, come back and twist. Look all the way to the back of the room. And come all the way back and twist to the other side. Open the chest and reach your hands even further. And come back. And hands on the knees. Again, bring your head to the left. And bring your head to the right. Hold it. Do it super slow. Now, use your breath. So inhale to the left again. Exhale, center. Inhale to the right. And exhale, center. And 1 more time. And center and to the other side. And come all the way back. Look down. And look up. And look down again. And look up. And bring your torso back. Take a deep inhalation through your nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. And 1 more deep breath. And exhale deeply. And you have done such a beautiful job today finding peace. Take this calm energy with you and reflect on where you can create more peace in your life. And tomorrow we are going to focus on self-love. I hope you have a lovely day and I'm going to see you very, very soon.